A one-day workshop on Jadoo Kalija, exploring indigenous oral tradition and musical expression, was organized by the Tripura Academicians Forum (TAF) in collaboration with the Center for Indigenous Culture and Heritage and the Department of Kokborok DDM College Kwai. Students and faculty members participated enthusiastically in the program. The event was chaired by Dr. Khokan Majumdar, Principal of DDM College, Sri Kshetra Mohan Debarma, accompanied Vocal Department, Tripura Tribal Folk Music College, attended as the resource person and delivered an insightful session on the history, rhythm and cultural significance of Jadoo Kalija along with live demonstrations. Dr. Abhijit Debarma, General Secretary of the Tripura Academicians Forum, highlighted the importance of Jadoo Kalija in Tripura culture and everyday life. He further noted the traces of Jadoo Kalija can be identified in the works of Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore, suggesting that Tagore may have drawn inspirations from this indigenous folk tradition. The program was also graced by Mrs. Kabika Debarma, Head Department of Kokborok, and Dr. Baburam Swami, Secretary, Teachers Council, DDM College. The workshop concluded with an interactive session and was well received by the participants, reinforcing the need to preserve and promote the indigenous folk heritage.
Welcome করবে Dr. Khokan Majumdar, Principal of this college, and this is person of today's program. Thank you, sir. And Dr. Abhijit Debarma, General Secretary, Tripura Academician Forum, and also Associate Professor, IT Department, DDM College, and Dr. Baburam Swami, Teachers Council Secretary, and also Associate Professor, Department of English, to felicitate and welcome. And Baron Manangzat, Kabika Debarma, HUD, Department of Kokborok. Sir, অনেক ধন্যবাদ এই প্রোগ্রামে উপস্থিত হওয়ার জন্য। Despite of your busy schedule, we know. So অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ। তো আমরা এখন প্রোগ্রামের এক পা এগিয়ে যাব। তো আমরা একটা নেচার রয়েছে আমাদের সামনে। Without nature, the existence of human being is impossible. We are part of the nature, not the master. Human being is not the superior of the nature, but only a part, একটি প্রাণ। আমরা সবাই জানি। তো এই গ্যাস থেকে জল দেওয়ার জন্য
Bureau Report, Kumpui.